Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope you're doing extremely well. So today we are going to discuss another question, that is linked list a palindrome? So let's try to understand the problem statement. So in this question, we are provided with a linked list like this: 1, 2, 2, and 1. So if the linked list that we are provided with is a palindrome, we return true in that case, and if it is not palindrome, we will return false in that case. I hope you get the problem statement. So the another thing about this question is that before trying to solving this question, go and watch the video of reverse data recursive, just because this question is based on the same concept of that question. The third thing about this question is that as you are allowed here order of n space complexity, but it is a request that you try to use only the recursive method. Means you will only use that order of n space of the recursive stack space. So just pause this video right now, try to solve it by yourself, and after that we will discuss its solution approach. I hope you have tried it by yourself. So let's discuss its solution approach. What will be my solution of to approaching this problem is I will use the same approach that I explained in the reverse data recursive method. That was nothing but each node will say that I will recursively call my node.next, and the moment I encounter the base condition, I will keep on backtracking, and during the backtracking, I will perform some work. Here also, I will do the same. Let me write some code, and then we'll figure out that how that code will help us in achieving our goal. Okay. So this is our method. So here at first, we will create a static method, static variable. That will be nothing but left. Now this is the function we are provided with, that is IsPalindrome. So what we will do here, at first we update the initialize the left variable with this dot head, and we create a new function, that is the helper method, that helps us to achieve and work according to our requirement. Okay, I will pass this dot head to this method. So let me create that method: public static boolean and helper node. Okay, at first I will write some code, and then I figure out how that code is working and how it will help us in achieving our goal. So what was my first step? First step was nothing but recursively calling myself. So helper node.next actually. As you can see, that helper is a boolean type, so means it returns some value. So let me save that value in res variable. Okay, what happened that if the base case encounter, let me handle it. If node is null, I will return true in that case. Okay, means if I encounter the base case, I'll say that yes, the list I'm provided with is a palindrome. Now I will write one more line of code, that is left equals to left.next. Means each time left keep on iterating. Let's try to figure out how this code is working. Okay, here. So this is a code. As you know that the variable that we have created here, that is the left variable get its memory into the heap memory, as it is as it is created out of all the functions. Okay, it gets its memory into heap memory, and this function get its memory into the stack memory. Let me create a stack to better understand it. Okay, so this is a stack, and I'm assuming that this left variable, just let me remove this left variable, and it is pointing to somewhere. Let me create a linked list for this, and each node have some address: 20k, 30k, and 40k. So what happened at the very beginning, I am keep on iterating over my linked list. Means at first 10k called recursively 20k. As you can see, we are passing the address. Okay, that's why I'm saying 10k costs 20k. So 20k recursively costs 30k. Similarly, 30k recursively costs 40k, and 40k recursively costs null. So here the base case encountered, and I will return true in this case. Okay, so I hope you can see it. From the null point, from the base condition, I keep on backtracking. During the backtracking here, I will perform some work. Now let's try to figure out that how my left is behaving during my positive recursion, means during my upward recursion, how my left variable is behaving. As you can see that during the recursion, my left is not incrementing, but it is incrementing during the back propagation. So means during the forward propagation, when 10k is called, during that time my left is nothing but is pointing to 10k. Here also it was nothing but pointing to 10k, it was pointing to 10k, it was pointing to 10k, and here also it was pointing to 10k. Now let's try to figure out what we will work during my back propagation. Okay, the first thing we do is do here is, as we have seen that how my recursion will work, forward recursion will work, upward recursion will work. We know, let me write it neatly here. Left has nothing but pointing to 10k. This is my linked list. Let me again create it. 10k, 20k, 30k, 40k. Now we'll figure out at what how it will behave during the back propagation. At this moment, my node is at here and my left is at here. Okay. Now if I'll ask you that what will be the approach to check whether a list or an array is palindrome or not, means you will say that I'll do nothing, I'll keep on iterating from the beginning and from the end till my I is less than j, and I'll keep on checking that whether both of the data are same or not. So I'll say that why not to do the same thing here also, as my left is pointing to the first node and my node is pointing to the last node. As I have both the nodes from the beginning and from the ending, let's compare the data. If they are equal, we will move forward. If they are not equal, we will return false. So I'll do the same. We'll check that whether the left data and node data are equal or not. I'll say yes, they are equal. So what I'll do, I will increment the left and start pointing it to the 20k. But I know that during my recursion backtracking, my node already get updated when its function stack, this function stack get deleted. Okay, wait, this is deleted currently. My node is here. When this function stack get deleted, my node value get already updated. Means I trade my linked list from right to the left during the backtracking of the recursion. So what happened during the backtracking? This 40k work is done. So this function stack get deleted and my node is currently here. Means this node is so this node is doing nothing but reaches to this 2. Again, I will perform the same work, whether my left data or node data, whether they are equal or not. Yes, they are equal. If they are equal, I will increment my left to the means furthermore, and the second thing is that I will means my function stack get deleted. I will return true in that case. As the function stack get deleted, my node itself get updated and it start pointing to 2, as it is okay. It start pointing to 2. Okay, so as it is pointing to 2, again I will check whether the data is equal or not. Yes, it is equal. I will perform the same task here. Update the left, move it to the next, return true. During returning, my this function stack got deleted. This got deleted. As it got deleted, my node already get updated and it start pointing to 1. Here also I will do the same. I will compare both of this data. If they are not equal, I will return false. If they are equal, I will return true. As I return true, my function gets got deleted, and as it get deleted, my node get updated. So let's try to code it. So here we are incrementing the left as we are storing the result. So result is nothing but it tells that what is the what is the condition, whether the linked list that we have iterated till now means I am currently at the second node. What is the condition at the node that is on the right hand side of the second node? Okay, so what is the condition of those nodes, whether they are palindrome or not? Okay, if they are not palindrome, then means why need to check whether I am palindrome or not. Okay, so we check whether the result till now are palindrome or not. If it is false, I'll do nothing, I'll return false in that case. Okay, I hope you get it. Let's try to figure it out. What happened now? I will check myself that what happened if my data are not equals to the node dot data. If my data means the left dot data is not equals to the node dot data, means if my data are not equals to the node dot data, I will return false, means I am not palindrome. Let's try to write the else condition. Else condition says that yes, my data are equal to the node dot data. If my data are equal to node dot data, means I need to update the left variable. So I update the left with left dot next, and I will return true in that case. Turn true in that case. I hope you get it what I have written here. So let's try to run it. So it is accepted. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, I hope you get the solution of this problem statement. If you like this video, don't if you like the content which I've explained in this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our video. So till then, stay safe, stay